Very good morning, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami. Welcoming to my channel. I usually try to track some interesting things for the blast movement. Actually, here in this chart of 25,500 call option, I am seeing value compression, the silent setup before the blast. Why value compression? I'm going to explain it to you in the in detail. Most traders look for movement, but smart traders look for stillness. Now, if you see, if I zoom it, let me zoom it to the 15 minutes time frame. If I zoom it to 15 minutes time frame, there was compression, expansion, and expansion to the upside. This is a type of outside bar. Outside bar, compression, manipulation. It is the manipulation, compression, manipulation, and expansion to the upside. And in this area, these are the blue color, blue and yellow are the value area of daily, and value area of red and green are they are overlapping with the value area of the this one, and this one green one is the value area of weekly, and weekly POC and daily POC are within the value area. So the point of control of the weekly is here, and the point of control of the daily is here. So this is the perfect market compressed, moved up, came down, manipulation, and it is ready to blast. Suppose if it takes support around this area, so this is the balance area for this 25,500 call option. Let me mark it. Why I have selected out of the money call option? Because sometimes it is cheap and it is ready to blast. Suppose if the Nifty expands to the higher side, 25,400 or 25,450, then this call option will blast actually. So this is the point of control, 128, because and the point of control is in the manipulative compression area. It is aligning with the daily POC. Daily POC and weekly POC have aligned, and this is the balance area. Let me red color, 144 is the balance area. 144 point. So let me make it price scale properly. Right. Let me move it and adjust the price scale, because we need to know the price of this. This is 100 and there is any Nifty 25,500 call option, 144. It has closed around 144, and the balance area there is no 127. Red color marking is 127 is the balance level. Suppose if the price starts trading above this level, 127 is your reference point. If it starts retest and recovers and moves away, then you can anticipate for a balance movement. The market compression, manipulation to the upside and manipulation to the downside, both the sides, and it has recovered here. If it takes support like this, if it takes support and if it blasts, you can expect a measured move. Let me measure it. Let me measure this move from here to here. And from here to here, we can anticipate the movement to the blast movement to 192 and even more on this call option. So this caught my eye. This compression caught my eye, and I wanted to explain it to you people, because the market does not explode when it is moving. It explodes after it stops moving. Actually, this is the perfect, actually. It came down and manipulated beneath this point of control, and it has reclaimed this point of control and closed above near the 144, and any retest and reclaiming this position will create an explosion in this call option. We can, you people can observe this type of setups. Actually, you need to trade these setups. Actually, trade this setup, and if you see that this is an outside bar. Outside bar. If I put a pitchfork over here, let me take the pitchfork and apply. This is an outside bar. And if the price starts moving above this, that is 196, this call option can blast even to another level, 202 to 235. So there is chance for this blast of this call option. So you can keep it in your watch list, because it caught my eye because of the compression of the value areas. If I change the time frame to hourly, you can see clearly. Let me remove the drawings. Okay, and you can see the compression of the value areas over here. Compression, and the point of control is sitting over here, and the value area is expanding. It is indicating some sort of compression and explosion, you can see in this, and the value area point of control is shifting to the high side. So any retest in an intraday basis, it is a buying opportunity. Keep it in your watch list and observe carefully. These type of setups will give you the zero hero type of move in the market. For an option buyer, these setups are very, very important. Actually, friends, this is my indicator, market memory POC. With this indicator, I can locate that, and even if I enable the rolling pivot reversal magic, now if I enable reverse and let me make it rolling pivots, buy sell signals, and let me disable the R1 and S1, and if we see the price sitting above the pivot, actually it is sitting above the pivot. You can see the market move down and it is sitting above the pivot. Still the trend it is showing 158. If it starts moving above the 158, then trend will flip to the upside. So friends, with the help of this, and if I change the time frame to 15 minutes, you can see here the EP triggering over here. EP triggering over here, and EP has been triggered on 27th here. The market moved higher and they manipulated retest and breakout. Suppose this is the episodic pivot candle high. Episodic pivot candle high is 152. If the price starts moving above that, you can anticipate for a up move in the market. Okay, friends, thank you. This is a setup, and do not jump into the trade, but wait for the trade, wait for the trade, wait for the signal. With the help of my three indicators, you can gauge the move, and you can enter enter into the market with confidence. Actually, trend has flipped over here on 15 minutes, and price is sitting above the value area. Price is sitting above the pivot, rolling pivot, and this is the reference point. And the point of control is over here, and daily point of control has shifted up. So friends, this is the setup. You can watch 25,500 call option. If the market Nifty starts moving to 25,450, moves about yesterday's high, then market may start. This call option may give you very good return in the market. So keep both the call option and the put option on your chart. 25,500 put option, because I need to tell you this. You can see clearly compression breakdown. You can see on this put option compression breakdown, and the value, these are the point of control over here, point of control over here, and the expansion to the downside you can see on the put option. It may even go to 92. If it goes to 92 from 300, it is trading around 272. 200 means 100 points, 150 points you can gain on the call option. So you can both the call option and the put option, you can keep it on your watch list. This is also a going sideways and breakdown you are seeing in the put option. So by this way you can make your trade, I mean proper vision of the trade, and you can trade better. Thank you very much, friends. Narnakshi Swami signing off.